using their forelimbs for the running, but their origin is same only, na? That's why they belongs to the Homo logi. Hi everyone, today we are going to start with your UT question paper 9. We are going to discuss your UT 9 question paper. The first question you have, what is the diagram show? If you know, this diagram is also given in your NCERT, in which they are showing the homologous organ. First of all, what is homologous organ? Those organs in which their origin is same but their function is different. Yes or no? The one is what? The one is they are giving the thorns of Bougainvillea and the tendrils of the cucurbita. Both having a same origin. Both are originated from the axillary position but their function is different. One is providing protection, another one is helping in the climb. Okay, and this homologous organ, this type of evolution is also known as the divergent evolution. Okay, so the correct answer will be your both B and C. Next, you have all these facts that are true about the Neanderthal man, except the first is the brain size is 1400 cc, which is correct. Next is they used hides to protect their body. Yes, it is also correct. They live in East and Central Asia between first 1 lakh to the 40,000 year back. It is also correct statement. Next, the last statement you have, their fossils were discovered in Java Island in 1891. It is incorrect because their fossils were discovered in 1856 in Germany. Okay, so which one is your incorrect statement? Answer is your D. The next you have, match the column. C. This question is completely based on your memory. You have to learn the years because it is quite important. The first you have invertebrates. Their origin is around your 500 million years ago. Okay, next you have jawless fishes. Jawless fishes 350 million years ago. Seaweeds you have, which is your around 320 million years ago, and Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus is your 15 million years ago. Correct answer is your B. 153, the correct option is your B. Next is, which of these is in direct ancestors of the turtles? Very common. From the sauropsids, your turtles, your crocodiles and all. They are all arises now. The correct answer is your sauropsid. Okay. Next is, bryophytes evolved in which of these periods? The correct answer is your Carboniferous. This period is the period when the first seed of the plant occurred. The Carboniferous is your correct answer. This is those period when your first seed plant occurred, and also this is the ancestral gymnosperm forms and your bryophytes. They all are originated during this period only. Okay. Next you have abiogenesis means. What is your abiogenesis theory? Abiogenesis theory is also known as the spontaneous generation theory. This theory explained that life came out from the dead decaying metal like the mud, like the rotting straws and etc. Okay, the correct answer is your A. Next is basic components of atmosphere of primitive earth were. What is primitive atmosphere? There were no oxygen, and this is known as the reducing atmosphere. That time there were only gases. What were the gases were present? Like your ammonia, methane, hydrogen and the water, and further they are the one which forms the quasarvates and the biomolecules. Next is the spark discharge apparatus to test chemical evolution of life was designed by. This practically experimented by your two scientists Urey and Syl Miller in 1953. They created all the same condition which was explained by the earlier scientists in their practical. Okay. Darwin finches provide excellent evidence in favor of evolution. This evidence comes from the biogeography. Do you understand by the biogeography? Biogeography is the branch of biology that deals with the geographical distributions of your plants as well as the animals. Okay. Next is your correct order is, for that I told you a mnemonic in class, which is your PPMC. P stands for the Proterozoic, P stands for your Paleozoic, M stands for your Mesozoic, and the C stands for your Cenozoic. Correct answer is your A. Next is, which of the following is called as the age of fish? Which is your Devonian, which is around your 400 million years ago. Okay, you have to learn the data. Okay. Next is, which era was dominated by the reptiles? Yes, which era was dominated by the reptiles? Mesozoic era, Cenozoic era, or the Paleozoic era, or the Archeozoic era? The correct answer is your Mesozoic era. In the Mesozoic era, you have Triassic, Jurassic, and the Cretaceous. In the Mesozoic era, we have three periods, which is your first is Triassic, another is your Jurassic, another is your Cretaceous. First, the period which we have, which is your Triassic. Triassic is the origin of dinosaurs. Jurassic is the age of reptiles, and the Cretaceous one is the where the dinosaurs was disappeared. It is the extension of the dinosaurs. The sum of the all genes in a population is called gene pool. Very simple. Genetic drifts. Genetic drift operates in large isolated population, no. Fast reproductive population, no. Slow reproductive population, no. It occurs in the small isolated population. What do you understand by the genetic drift? Genetic drift is a mechanism of evolution in which allele frequency of a population, in which what happens, allele frequency of a population changes over generation due to the chances. Okay, that is your genetic drift. Okay, small population is one of the reason, because here is the occasional occurrence of the allele getting lost with your higher probability. Okay, next is, which of these is a correct match? All of these are the same. The correct option is your all of the above. Industrial melanism was highlighted by the Bristol carbonularia. Okay, the Bristol betullaria. Okay, this was what? This was the moth. Okay. Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium is known to be affected by gene flow, genetic drift, mutation, genetic recombination, and also the natural selection. HW affected by what? It is affected by the gene flow, genetic drift, mutation, genetic recombination, and also your natural selection, because it disturbs the HWE equation. Next is the wing of bird and wing of insect. First of all, see, wing of bird. Birds are what? Birds belongs to the aves. And insect is what? Insect belongs to your arthropoda. So both having a different origin, but their function is same, because bird is also using their wing for flying, and this insect also use their wing for the fly. So this is the type of what? This is the type of your analogous structure and represents your convergent evolution. Analogous what? The origin is different, but the function is same. Next is the similarity of bone structure in forelimbs of many vertebrate is an example of homology. Why is homology? Because in the homology, the origin is same but the function is different. See, the similarity of the forelimbs of many vertebrates. Okay. If I give you examples of four limbs of man, four limbs of cheetah, four limbs of whales and all, so they all are using their four limbs for the different purpose. One are using for the grasping things, one are using their four limbs for the swimming, one of them using their four limbs for the running, but their origin is same only, na? That's why they belongs to the homology. Next is the process by which organisms with different evolutionary history evolves similar phenotypic adaptation in response to a environmental changes is called. It is very simple. It is your convergent evolution, in which they are showing the adaptive radiation. Next is the papered moth, which is your Biston betuliaria. The black colored moth forms become dominant over the light color formed over the moth in England during the Industrial Revolution. Industrialization happened after the 1920s, where the black moth were selected by the nature. Because of the pollution, there was a deposition of the carbon over the tree of bark, which hide the black color moth, and here the white or grayish color moth was easily spotted by the birds. Okay, that's why they were not survived that time. Okay, so this is what? This is the natural selection now. Yes, this is the natural selection whereby the darker forms were selected. This is, you know that this identify what is indicated in this given diagram. Here the common ancestor we have, okay, but this particular, they all were radiated to the different they becomes the different finches. Okay, all they having a same, all they are originated from the same finch ancestor, but according to their habitat they becomes the different finches. And this type of radiation is known as, yes, this type of radiation is known as the, yes, it is the adaptive one, it is the natural one, it is the ecological one. It is your natural selection as well as your adaptive radiation. Okay, according to their habitat, according for their survival, they becomes the different finches. Okay, one becomes the insect eaters, one becomes the seed eaters. According to that, their beaks were evolved. Next is a population of a species invades a new area. Which of the following conditions will lead to the adaptive radiation? The first is area with large number of habitats having very low food supply. Obviously no. When there is a low food supply, who will going to be adaptive? Area with a single type of a vacant habitat. This already a vacant. This one is also wrong. Area with many type of vacant habitat. This one is true. Yes, they having a different type of a habitat. That's why they becomes the different finches now. Yes. Next is survival of the fittest is possible due to the favorable variation. Very simple. See, survival of the fittest, that organisms better adapted to their environment are best suited to survival and the successful, what? Successfully they can reproduce. Okay. According to Darwin, the organic evolution due to between in the interspecific, means in between the species. So this one is the interspecific competition. Who proposed that long neck of giraffe evolved due to the foraging of leaves and the tall trees? Lamarck, the Lamarck theory. Lamarck gives the theory of use and disuse of the organ. In this theory, he was explaining his theory with the help of the long neck of the giraffe. Okay. HWE principle is what? HWE's principle is what? The stable allele frequency in a population. If it get disturbed, HW is also affected, and this can be affected by the natural selection, mutation and all. Okay. Next is in Hardy-Weinberg equation, the frequency of heterozygous is represented by your 2pq. Genetic drift operates in, I told you now, the small isolated population. In this, you have next question. Artificial selection to obtain cow yielding high milk output represent. Here we are doing what? Artificial selection, so that we can select only the high yielding cow. So we are doing selection only in one direction now. So this is what? This is a directional selection where the only one particular species is selected. So this is what? This is the directional one. Here the peak shifted in the one directional only. So the directional, as it pushes the mean of the characters only in one direction. Okay. Another example you have of the industrial melanism. Next is choose the incorrectly meshed pair. Reptiles thick-shelled egg which do not dry up. True only. Tyrannosaurus rex, they are the fish-like reptiles. No, they are more like the lipped lizards. They are more like the lipped lizards. So this one is the wrong only. Okay. The correct answer is your B. Next is the difference between Homo sapiens and Homo erectus was. Homo sapiens originated in Africa while Homo erectus originated in Asia. Correct. Homo erectus were much smaller in size than Homo sapiens. Okay. Homo erectus stayed in Africa while Homo sapiens did not. Okay. The size of the brain of Homo erectus was smaller than the Homo sapiens. It is incorrect. The size of Homo erectus cranial capacity is 900 cc, whereas if I talk about the cranial capacity of Homo sapien, it is your 1600 cc. This one having a 900 cranial capacity, this one having a 1600 cranial capacity. The correct answer is your D. What was the most significant trend in the evolution of modern man from his ancestor? That is the increasing brain capacity. The correct answer is C. Next is there is an assertion reason question. Assertion is giving the primitive atmosphere was reducing 1, okay, without oxygen. Correct only. In the primitive atmosphere, oxygen was evolved in forming the ozone. No, because the primitive atmosphere was what? Without oxygen. So how oxygen formed the ozone? So assertion is true, but reason is not the correct explanation of your assertion. So answer is your B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not satisfactory with the assertion. Which of the following are not homologous? Insect mouth part, they are the homologous. Insect legs, they are the homologous. Vertebrates, four limbs, they are the homologous. Birds and insect wings, they are not the homologous. They are the example of analogous. Why? Bird belongs to the apes and insect belongs to an arthropoda. So their wings performing same function, but their origin is quite different. Study of fossil as evidence of evolution is known as the paleontology, and it was the one of the proof that shows evolution was happened. Some bacteria are able to grow in streptomycin medium due to the natural selection. Why so? Yes, why they are able to grow in natural selection? Because the development of resistance to the bacteria by the process of your natural selection, it having some mutation, that it evolved to be resistant to the antibiotics. Okay. So during this mutation, it evolved to resistance to the antibiotics. You can say that. Next you have which of these had the smallest brain capacity? Homo erectus, Homo sapiens, Homo neanderthals and the Homo habilis. Homo erectus have 900 cranial capacity, Homo sapiens have 1600 cranial capacity, Homo neanderthal have 1400 cranial capacity, and whereas if I talk about the Homo habilis, they have a cranial capacity about 650 to 800 cranial capacity. So do tell me which one having a low. Quite obvious, answer is your D. Scientists who also come to the similar conclusion around the same time of the Charles Darwin was Alfred Wallace, and Alfred Wallace was also going on the voyage. In which island they were going? The Malay Archipelago. Okay. Among the following set of examples from the divergent evolution, select the incorrect one. See, brain of bat, man and cheetah. What are these? All are the mammals. Heart of Batman and cheetah, they all are the mammals. Same origin they have. Four limbs of man, bat and cheetah, they all are mammals, but they having a different function. And what is homology? Origin same, but function different. Eye of octopus, bat and man. See, octopus belongs to the mollusk. Bat and man, they are the mammals. The correct option is your D. Okay, you have to tell the incorrect one. Natural indicator of industrial pollution is because of the lichens. In Australia, marsupials and placental mammals have evolved to share many similar characteristics. See, both having a different evolution at the same period, but when their result come, they almost the similar. So they converge at a particular point now. So this evolution is known as the convergent evolution. Variation caused by the mutation as proposed by the Hugo de Veres, it's random and the directionless. Okay, they say that the mutation is random and the directionless. Next you have a gene locus has allele A if the frequency of dominant allele is 0.4. P equals to your 0.4, then what will be the frequency of homozygous dominant? So how you find the homozygous dominant? P square. So 0.4 square will be your 0.16, yes or no? Then you have to find the heterozygous and the homozygous recessive. How you found the homozygous recessive? Do you remember the formula P plus Q equals to 1? Here you have 0.4 plus Q equals to 1. The value of your Q equals to 0.6 and you have to find the homozygous recessive. 0.6 square your 0.36. Yes, and now put the value into PQ. 2 into 0.4 you have and 0.6 you have. Yes, so the correct answer is your B. 0.16 for your homozygous dominant, 0.48 for your heterozygous and 0.36 for your homozygous recessive. Yes or no? Next is, which of the following is an extinct animal? Protoparus equus columba. These are not the extinct one. Archaeopteryx is the extinct one. Archaeopteryx is what? It is a connecting link. It is a connecting link between reptiles and mammals. Okay, it is the connecting link between the reptiles and your mammals. Next, you have choose the correct statement with reference to the organic evolution. We have to tell the correct statement. Okay. Next, flippers of whale and wings of a bat exhibit analogy? No. Wings of butterfly and wings of bird exhibit homology? No. Because see, butterfly or bird both having a different origin. Organ with dissimilar structures are called the analogous organ. Yes. Organs with similar structure and origins are called the homologous organ. Yes. The correct answer is your C, third and the fourth. Next, you have matched the following columns. Now you have Ichthyosaurus. Ichthyosaurus is what? They are the fish-like reptiles in your 200 million years ago. Coelacanth is what? Coelacanth is your living fossil. It is your living fossil because they have a low fin. Okay, and they caught in the South Africa in 1938. Next is your giant pterophytes, which fell to form the coal deposit, and dinosaurs, they disappeared about the 65 million years ago. Okay, the correct answer is your B. Fossils are generally found in the sedimentary rocks. What is sedimentary rocks? This is the most common type of rocks. They are formed by the earth natural forces like wind or water. Next is, which of the following is the correct sequence of the origin of life? If you remember, we have a free atoms. Free atoms, they forms the inorganic molecule. Then there is a formation of the organic molecule. Then there is a formation of the probionts or the eubionts. Yes or no? The first you have the formation of protobionts, synthesis of organic monomers, synthesis of your organic polymers, and the formation of DNA based genetic system. We have to arrange in a correct sequence. Okay, so see, first you have synthesis of organic monomer, then we have synthesis of your organic polymer. Yes or no? Then there is a formation of your DNA based genetic system or the formation of protobionts. Then there is a formation of your protobionts. Then there is a formation of DNA based genetic system. Yes, the first answer your second. Okay, first is your second, then your third, and then your fourth. Correct answer is your C. 200 is your C. Okay, I hope your all doubt is clear now. Okay guys, take care, bye, thank you.